How to amend a tax return on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can amend your tax return on TurboTax. Now, if you have filed your tax return with TurboTax, but then you need to change it, if you already have filed it, then you cannot return back. But what you can do is amend your tax return and file it again. You can do this very easily on TurboTax, either on the website or the TurboTax application as well. So you can open up any of these. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you might need to file an amended return if any of the following are true. You got more documents or tax forms in the mail, you need to correct something on your return, you need to add or remove a dependent, or you want to take another credit or deduction you didn't take the first time. Before you amend your return, here are three things you need to know. First, you have to make sure that you got your refund or paid your taxes due to the originally filed return. You want to make sure the government doesn't get confused with your money. Second thing is print a copy of your original return and have it right by your side when you start to amend in TurboTax. Now, the third one is you can amend this year's return only within this year's version of TurboTax. If you want to amend your return from a prior year, you will have to use that year's version of TurboTax. Now, to start your amended return, go back into TurboTax, open the return you already sent in. On the first page you see, click on the link to amend your return. Now you can start amending your tax return. Remember to amend only if you need to make a change on a return you have already filed. Then follow the on-screen prompts, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.